Hello friends, welcome to KM Goldstone channel. So, in this video, we are going to see about the most important topic that everyone must know. Especially this topic is more important to girls. That every girl must learn and know about this technique. Okay, let's enter into the topic now. Friends, this topic is nothing but the hidden camera. In this video, we are going to know about the hidden camera. So, which are the places where hidden cameras are placed inside the room? Then, if there is any hidden cameras placed inside the room, we are going to see the methods that to find the hidden camera. First, let's see what is hidden camera. An hidden camera, in other words named as spy camera or security camera or a video camera, used to record people without knowing them and their knowledge. The hidden cameras are nowadays used in wrong manners. Especially, these type of cameras are used in hotel rooms or trial rooms and even in washrooms. So, this is especially for girls, which is the video will get recorded without their knowledge. And if it gets recorded, they use in a bad manner and blackmail takes place. So, hidden camera must be identified by a person if he or she goes into the unknown places. Next, I'll tell you which are the places that the hidden cameras will be placed inside the rooms and the washrooms. Friends, if you enter into a room, you must be so careful. Come, let's see the places where the hidden cameras are kept. First one is the lights. Friends, if you go inside the room, please do check the light bulbs because they do keep the hidden cameras in even light bulbs. And the second one is the switch box. Third one is plug hole. And fourth one is the doors. Fifth one is dress hangers. And the sixth one is wall clock. Even in a wall clock, the hidden cameras are placed. And seventh one is the tissue box. In some rooms, they might keep some tissue papers along with the tissue box. So, you must be so careful. You have to check the tissue box. And the eighth one is the flower decorated box. Even in a flower decorated pot kept inside the room, we can able to see the hidden camera. So, the ninth one is the mobile phone chargers. That if you go to any hotel room, they will provide you a free charger. So, you have to be careful. Don't trust them even in a mobile phone chargers because the hidden cameras are used. And the 10th one, the pen stands. Even in a pen stands, the hidden cameras are placed. Then, if you go inside a washroom where hidden cameras will be placed in bath showers. And mainly, hidden cameras will be kept inside a mirror which you see your face. Friends, next let us see how to find the hidden cameras which are kept inside the room. So, how to check and find that there is a spy camera inside a mirror. If you go inside a washroom or a trial room, there you can see a mirror kept there. We have to be so careful that in some mirrors they may keep hidden camera. So, how to identify the safe and unsafe mirror? Friends, for that, there are many methods to find whether there is any hidden camera kept inside the mirror. But I'll tell you the most two simple and easy techniques to identify it. First method is that take your forefinger and place the tip of a finger at front of the mirror. If you can touch your reflection, then you can confirm that there is a hidden camera inside the mirror. If you can't able to touch your reflection and there is a gap between your finger, then you can confirm that there is no hidden camera and you are safe. Another method is that you must knock on the mirror. If you get a hollow sound, then you can confirm that they have kept hidden camera inside the mirror. If you don't get any hollow sound, then you are safe. These are the main basic techniques to find hidden cameras placed inside the mirror. Next, let us see how to find the hidden cameras kept inside the room. Friends, inside the room it's too difficult to find the hidden cameras because they may be placed at different objects that I have listed above. So, if you want to find this hidden camera kept inside the room, here is the simple method is that the Android mobile. So friends, you need to install Hidden Camera Detector app. This app is available in Play Store. So after installing this app, where there will be many options, here you have to click on IR camera. IR camera is the infrared camera. By using this infrared, you can detect the hidden camera. So to check this, you have to switch on all the lights in the room and you have to open the IR detector. If there is any hidden camera, it will show the small light, so then you can easily detect the hidden camera using this application. So please install this application. Don't be careless, where we need to be more careful. Especially girls, when you enter into the unknown rooms, hotels or washrooms. Follow the method what I have said and please install this hidden camera app in your mobile phone. So friends, if you want to get more informative videos, please do subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.